which is the provision of law that a presenting officer is required to be appointed?
Honorable Apex Court has also
Not Apex Code. Under the CRPF rules, you point out. Why are you going directly to Delhi? First, we have to examine the rules. No.
this is violation of the natural justice which
Sir, I do agree. From the rules, you have to point out the penalty rules, sir.
27, Your Lordship. Rule 27. Procedure for award of punishment, Your Lordship.
Where is the, in appellate authority order annexure 5, where is the reference to the memorandum of appeal and what are its contention A, B, C, D, E or 1, 2, 3? How each of the contention has been dealt by the appellate authority? Where is this? Annexure 5. Then the application of mind is not there.
But he has,
No, shall I set aside and remand the matter, or you want one of the officer from the DIG to be present in the court? Yes.
the petitioner has been appointed in the Central Reserve Police Force being IG Constable.
Where is the order of dismissal?
My lordship. Annexure 4, my lordship.
Annexure 4,
My lordship.
page.
9, Your Lordship.
Document is in Hindi.
My lordship.
Who has passed the order?
Commandant of the CRPF, my lordship.
Huh?
Commandant of the CRPF,
Which respondent?
my lordship.
How the writ petition is maintainable? Commandant is of Assam.
There is no question of mental ability, my lord.
Huh?
Here is the within the jurisdiction of this honorable court, my lordship.
No, the order has been passed by the commandant Silhar, Assam.
And appeal has been filed before the
Where is the appellate authority order?
Page 35, Your Lordship.
Huh?
page 35. कार्यालय पुलिस उप निरीक्षक केंद्रीय रिजर्व पुलिस बल आशियाना दीघा.
It is also in Hindi.
My lordship.
Where are the CRPF rules? What is the date of your memorandum of appeal?
वो तो डेट अवेलेबल नहीं है.
Huh?
I have not available. Date is not available.
That is not available. Then can you read annexure 5 and point out where is the reference to your appeal? Take page 35.
My lord.
Is there any reference to your memorandum of appeal?
My lordship, one thing more, my lord. Petitioner has been suspended on 33/2007.
Why are you going back?
My lordship, one thing relevant in this case, my lordship.
Huh?
30/3
So you don't want us to me to decide the appeal and appellate authority's order?
No, my lordship, I'm coming on that question, my lordship. But one thing more important, my lordship. 33/2007 को ये my lordship सस्पेंड हुआ under the terms of clause B of Rule 10(1) of the Central Civil Service
Who has
Classification.
placed him under suspension? Commandant.
No, my lordship.
Commandant.
Commandant.
Go to Assam.
No, one thing, Classification Control and Appeal Rule 1965. So my lordship's Central Civil Services Classification and Control Rule also apply in this case. Petitioner has been suspended. And there is only question,
You should question before the Assam court.
my lordship,
Since you have pointed out the appellate authority is of the state of Bihar,
no, my lordship,
I am entertaining your writ petition.
my lordship appeal is here. My lordships,
क्या हो गया CRPF rules को?
only question decided is here, my lordships. At the time of inquiry officer, appointment of an inquiry officer, presenting officer in this case has not been appointed, my lord.
Which is the provision of law that a presenting officer is required to be appointed?
Honorable Apex Court has also,
Not apex court, under the CRPF rules you point out. Why are you going directly to Delhi? First we have to examine the rules, no?
this is violation of the natural justice which,
Sir, I do agree. From the rules you have to point out, presenting officer.
my lordships, the CCA rules also,
Under CRPF rules, where is the provision that CCA rules?
the CRPF rule is not, my lordships.
Sir, all right, sir. What is the basis to say that CCA rules are applicable to you?
Petitioner has been suspended under the CCA rules, my lord.
That may be wrong. You are a constable or what?
Constable, my lord.
You are bound by CRPF rules, not CCA rules. Otherwise, you show us any document.
He has wrongly, my lordship, suspended. Then the, my lordship, the case of the petitioner has,
So you have to approach Assam court. Approach Assam court. This court has no jurisdiction insofar as commandant is concerned.
but today I am only ready on the basis of Honorable Apex Court, my lordship.
Then I know how to reject it.
May we pass over for the day?
No question of passover. Old matters, please don't ask adjournment.
My lordships, may we consider the decision of the Honorable Apex Court, my lord.
Yes, I will consider.
May we permitted to read it, my lordship.
Huh?
May we permitted,
Without reading rules, I can't go to the Supreme Court decision.
my lordships, rules 102. 102. Other conditions of service.
Which is the penalty rule, sir?
27, Your Lordship. Rule 27. Procedure for award of punishment, Your Lordship.
Who has held the inquiry? Inquiry was conducted by whom?
Assistant Commandant, my lords.
Assistant Commandant.
My lords.
Which is the provision for appointment of inquiring officer? Yes, respondent counsel.
One.
Which is the provision of appointment of inquiring officer?
Of the
It is not given in this act, my lordship, it is not.
(27)B, your lordship.
Huh?
7B. A member of the force shall not, by reasons of his suspension, a member of the force during the period of his suspension and the powers vested in him as such, the member shall be in abeyance. Member shall be in abeyance, but he shall be subjected to the.
No, this is relating to only suspension.
What?
We are concerned with the. And there is no provision for appeal consideration.
No, appeal was there, your lordship.
No, appeal is there. Appeal consideration.
If your lordship will see the order passed by the appellate authority, your lordship.
Where is the in appellate authority order annexure 5? Where is the reference to the memorandum of appeal and what are its contention A, B, C, D, E or 1, 2, 3? How each of the contention has been dealt by the appellate authority? Where is this annexure 5? Have you understood the question? He has rightly or wrongly submitted a memorandum of appeal. In that appeal, he has taken 5 contentions, A, B, C, D, E. Where are those contentions considered by the appellate authority in its order? In annexure 5.
Yes, specific, but
Otherwise, it will be a non-speaking order. What is the purpose of filing a memorandum of appeal? If it is not considered, it is a empty formality. You give the memorandum of appeal, I will reject it.
no, my lord, but if we see, I'm just reading the contents of the, where he, My lord, may I kindly come to page 36, para 2, your lordship. उपरोक्त आरोपों के तहत विभागीय जांच संचालित करने हेतु बटालियन सो एंड सो सहायक कमांडेंट को जांच अधिकारी नियुक्त किया गया तथा जांच अधिकारी ने विभागीय जांच प्रचालित नियमों के तहत आरोपित कर्मी को अपने बचाव पक्ष का पर्याप्त मौका एवं गवाहों से तय करने की अनुमति देते हुए संपादित किया तथा प्रत्येक गवाह का बयान आरोपित कर्मी की उपस्थिति में दर्ज किया गया। जांच अधिकारी ने इस तरीके से ईच एंड एवरी प्रोसीजर ऑफ द प्रोसीडिंग वाज
Followed.
and my lord,
That's all.
I'm coming to the fine.
Memorandum of appeal, what are his contention?
That has not.
Therefore, it is a non-speaking order. I will set aside and remand the matter to the appellate authority.
But if your lordship will see paragraph 4.
Sir, please point out whether his appeal has been considered in the appellate authority order or not.
All the मद संख्या 1, 2, 3 जो उनके खिलाफ एलिगेशंस थे, that has been.
Sir, what is the purpose of filing appeal? He may be wrong in taking 5 contentions. You have to say no. A contention is not tenable for this reason. B contention is not tenable. Where is that discussion?
Contention wise he has not.
Then the application of mind is not there.
But he has.
No, shall I set aside and remand the matter, or you want one of the officer from the DIG to be present in the court?
Maybe adjourn for 2-3 days.
Land counsel for the petitioner submitted that presenting officer was not appointed to present the departmental case in the inquiry proceedings. It is further submitted that there is no consideration of memorandum of appeal by the appellate authority. Full stop. In order to ascertain which are the provision of law by which presenting officer is being appointed for the purpose of presenting departmental case in the departmental inquiry. And a relevant provision of appeal consideration. To stop in this regard, Deputy Inspector General of Police, CRPF, Patna, Bihar is hereby directed to a deputy and official who is well conversant with the matter relating to disciplinary proceedings against a constable, so as to analyze the aforementioned points. This matter, after 2 weeks, it is made clear that no further time would be granted for the reasons that the matter is pending consideration since 2009. Since the year 2009.
Serial number 17, Srikant Rajat versus Union of India and others for petitioner Mukul Kumar. Serial number 17.
I appeal via Union of India below. Earlier, the petitioner has taken time.
Huh?
Earlier, he has taken time below.
Earlier?
Petitioner has taken adjournment earlier. There is no time.
Matter is of the year 2010. None appears for the petitioner. Accordingly, petition stand dismissed for non-prosecution.
What 30 minutes?
Who is the counsel?
My lords, Lordship.
What is this?
Lords, my lords, bail has been granted. I filed a bail application on behalf of the two persons, one Choti Yadav and another second petitioner is Pramod Rai. But the second name has not been reflected in the order granting bail. And so far the case is concerned, both have name has been surfaced on the confession of Madan. That is there in the impugned order itself and my lord's order also. Date of custody is also same.
Criminal miscellaneous
Criminal miscellaneous.
number 52869 of 2022.
Lordship.
Filed by Choti Yadav and Roy.
Lordship.
While disposing on 9/12/2022, only the name first petitioner Choti Yadav has been indicated while ignoring the name of Roy. Therefore, registry is hereby directed to incorporate the name of Pramod Rai into issue a fresh order while incorporating Pramod Rai